we need to know about dental caries, that is, tooth decay. Tooth decay is the gradual erosion of enamel, that is, the protective covering of the tooth, and dentine, the substance below the enamel. Plaque formation is the main cause of tooth decay. The grinding surfaces of the back teeth, which have minute grooves in them, the lateral, that is side, edges of the adjacent teeth, and near the gum line. The plaque consists of food remains, salivary mucus byproducts, and the bacteria that lives in the mouth. The bacteria feed mainly on the fermentable carbohydrates, simple sugars and starches in food. In breaking them down, create an acid that gradually destroys the enamel, forming a cavity. If the process is not checked, the dentine gets eroded. The cavity gets enlarged, enabling the bacteria to invade the pulp at the center of the tooth and causes infection. What are the symptoms of tooth decay? Toothache, which may be aggravated by eating very sweet, hot, or cold food. Decay may also cause bad breath. What are the mode of treatment for tooth decay? Filling the cavity with either dental amalgam, that is a mercury alloy, or cement, that is a composite resin that matches the color of the tooth. Replace it with a filling or to extract the tooth.